Hi sir, please like and subscribe my video. Here, tap the three dots. Make available offline. This will override your settings to download now with cellular data. Otherwise, download will begin later after connecting to Wi-Fi. Yes. We can, account settings. Use that for offline. Offline files will only download when you connect to Wi-Fi. Updating files using cellular data could incur data charge.
Excuse me, get off your phone. Luck will come your way, and you won't even realise it.
Please like and subscribe.